Hi, I'm Deb Kelch from Finish Well Health Coaching, and it's time once again to look in the fridge. Let's do it. Okay, here we go. Let's see what's in here today. Take that. Some tomatoes. A zucchini. I'll take that. Some cheese. Some goat cheese. Let's take a look in here. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'll use that. Okay, so let's check out these ingredients one more time. We have Roma tomatoes, a zucchini, goat cheese crumbles, and some cheddar. I don't know if I'm going to use both of these. I'll have to decide as we go along. And some mozzarella cheese. Got my avocado oil. And I did switch out the sauce for the tomato and basil because it came to my attention that there was already one in the fridge that's open. So we'll use that one instead of the roasted garlic. Okay, here we go. Got my pan ready. Gonna put some oil in here. Move it around. Use a little more. I'm going to turn the oven on to 400 degrees because I'm actually going to bake this one. I'm going to cut up this zucchini. And I'm going to have to make it taste really good because I don't like zucchini. But I think a good chef can make anything taste good. So I'll have to step up my game. That looks about right. And now the tomatoes. Let's take this core out of here. Now I'm going to cut this. Maybe about a 1/4 inch thick, maybe a little more. All right. Now I'm going to put the tomatoes in the pan and the zucchini. Got my sauce here. I'm going to spoon some sauce onto the zucchini. There we go. Now I'm going to season this. I have some oregano here. I'm going to use that. Some nice Italian seasoning and some salt. Let's see, I think I'll use the goat cheese crumbles. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of this on. Goat cheese is very delicious. Even if you don't do dairy well, you might be able to do goat cheese. Okay. I'm going to put some goat cheese on the tomatoes now. You can also make this as a side dish. It's one of my favorites. I like to make it with roasted leg of lamb. I'm going to put my pan in the oven. The oven is on 400 degrees. And I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes. And then we'll come back and see how that's doing. Now the cheddar, I decided not to use. If you've never used cheddar, it spreads kind of like cream cheese. It's very delicious. But maybe next time. So I have diced my extra remaining tomato and zucchini. It'll make a nice little side salad for another day. Put it in the fridge. Look at that. Ooh. Now goat cheese doesn't melt like other types of cheese. But believe me, these will melt in your mouth. They will be so delicious. Let's take them out. Look at that. I'm gonna sprinkle some mozzarella cheese only on the zucchini. They're starting to look like pizza bites. Okay. And now I'm going to put these back in the oven just until the cheese is melted. Okay. Ready to get these out. Look at that. I got my plate ready. This makes a really great appetizer, and I'm sure all of my vegetarian friends will appreciate this, but I'm going to eat it for lunch.